So these all 5 lines over. Char set completed, generator is over, author is over, keywords is over, and description is also over. And next one more I have also completed, that is the viewport. Viewport is also completed. And one more option available in our meta tag that I'm going to covering now. So what is that additional option, sir? Auto refreshing of the page. Page auto refreshing. The once if you open the web page, it's going to refreshing itself automatically. When it is going to refreshing, sir, after certain interval, how much interval that we have to specify. So example, in our mobiles alarm available. Na? So you are setting some time to mobile alarm. For example, 2 o'clock, sir. 2 o'clock exactly it is going to ringing. Then what we are doing, sir? Snoozing. Because first ring we are never going to wake up. Kada. At least the second ring or third ring. First ring wake up very, very less scenarios, less persons. I'm going to wake up always with the third ring, sir. Every day, third ring, I'm going to wake up. That's all. So first alarm is going to ringing at the given time. Snooze. Well, again, ringing alarm. But when, sir? After 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that depends upon your settings. In alarm, we have that settings. Snooze time is 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Next time, 5 minutes after it's ringing. Again, snooze. 5 minutes after, snooze. It's going on. That is automatically ringing. Like that, automatically refreshing of the page is also available. So for that, we are going to using the meta tag. So this is the option of the meta tag to refresh the page automatically. So meta is the name of the tag, and this is one of the attribute, and the value of the attribute is refresh. Means refresh the page. Which page you want to refresh it, sir? Same page. Same page. And currently, which page you are going to watching, the same page is going to refreshing. When it is refreshing, sir, after this time, a time we have to specify. Time in hours or minutes or seconds or milliseconds or sir, seconds. It accepts the time in seconds format only. Suppose I'm writing 10 here. For every 10 seconds, your page reloading. For every 10 seconds, your page is going to reloading. So for very first, we are manually opening the page, sir. There onwards, the timer is activated. 10 seconds after reloading the page. Again, 10 seconds after reloading the page. Like that, how many times it is reloading, sir? Lifelong. Or until to close the browser. If you close the browser, refreshing is going to stopping. Otherwise, if you are not closed any browser, it's going to refreshing itself only. So best example for that is our cricket scorecard, sir. Yesterday, second ODI, sorry. So second ODI, you are unable to watch the live match. So live match not possible. At least we are checking with live score. For that, you are using some apps or websites. So refreshing automatically, not refreshing. If it is not refreshed automatically, scores are not going to updating. Best example, that one. So I'm writing a small message here. Demo on auto refreshing page. Which web page is refreshing, sir? Current web page only, it's refreshing. So what is current web page? 66, huh? 66 or 67? So my current program is example 66. Now this example 66 only refreshing automatically. But the problem is it's refreshing every 10 seconds once, but you are unable to identify that one. Reason, sir, what is the data of your page? Demo on auto refreshing. Next time, same. Next time, same. Page refreshing, but eyes are unable to identify. This I thought okay, but this not okay. The same data we are printing continuously, sir. Then only we are able to identify that one. For program executing or not, how can check it, sir? We have some tricks. We just follow the tricks. We can identify that. But don't check the content of the page. Ten seconds after it's refreshing. One refreshed already. Two times refreshed. Don't see this one because it is refreshing also printing the same data only. Observe the top of the browser. Me refresh button available. That one, our logo option is available, titles. So observe there. You'll get the some blinking every 10 seconds once. So why it is blinking, sir? And while reloading of the page, that icons are going to blinking. No, sir, I want to change the data continuously. Is there any option, sir? HTML అయితే no chance, sir. We should write some coding part. Coding part in the sense JavaScript is required. It's not possible because you know very well HTML used for static based designings. Static based or dynamic basis. So static means always same data only. Dynamic effects, if you require, we should add some JavaScript flavor also here. I'm changing the interval, sir. Oh, 6 seconds I'm taking. So field missing, program executed, but field missing. And operation successfully completed, sir, but patient dead. Or how operation successfully completed, sir? Operation success and problem cured. No, cutting, stitching over, that is meaning. Operation and again 666. So operation successfully completed, but patient rip. That is the current situation. So I want to patient also save, sir. Write a small JavaScript part here. We don't know JavaScript, sir, but I'm writing directly. Document dot write. It's one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. Document dot write is one of the predefined function of JavaScript. It is similar to printf in other languages. If you have any other languages knowledge, it's similar to printf function. So what you type here, that one is printing on your web page. But now I want to print here something number. Every time I need different number. But program refreshing or not, you'll also getting an idea. Then how to generate the numbers, sir? For that, we have one predefined class in JavaScript, math. Math is one of the predefined class of JavaScript, one of the library class of the JavaScript. In math class inside, we have one predefined function. It's called as random. So math dot random. What it is doing, sir? It generates a random number. This function generating one random number. What is that number, sir? No idea, sir. Then only we called as a random number. So we are unable to predict, we are unable to guess. So from which range to which range it is generating the numbers, sir? 0 to 1. It generates the random numbers between the 0 to 1. The 0 to 1, how many numbers we have? Between the 0 to 1, how many numbers we have? Mathematics, sir. It's not HTML. Random numbers is the mathematics. Huh? 2 how many? Infinity of numbers we have. Between the 0 to 1, we have infinity of numbers. In that infinity of numbers, blindly it is picking one value and showing onto your screen. So what happens here? Every 6 seconds, my page is refreshing. So every 6 seconds, the number is going to changing. But field comes and program also working properly. 6 seconds, number changing, sir. Now, how much time you open this page, sir? That much of time, 6 seconds once number changes or happens. Lifelong, sir. Up to tomorrow, if I'm not closed this browser, sir, up to tomorrow it is generating the numbers. No problem. So page refreshing and every time it's generating one number also here. So this is the option to refresh the page itself only without manual clicking in HTML. Next, here we have one more option. I'm showing that one, sir. This placing in comments. This is auto refresh. Same option in another flavor I'm showing here. So content 10 seconds. If I need the 2 minutes, what to do, sir? If you want to 2 minutes, write 120 seconds. Minutes also accepting, but should be specified in form of seconds. So what you are doing here, sir? Auto refresh I explained together. Now I'm going to explaining the auto redirect. Auto redirect. Auto redirect is similar to in our mobiles. A call divert option is there. Call diversion. No idea. Okay, we have one option. That option is called as the call divert. Suppose your mobile is going to switching off, sir. In another 10 minutes, it will comes your battery charge. But you are in the outside of the home. You want to go to the home, nearly 5 hours journey required or 5 hours time is available. But if 5 hours your mobile is switching off, you are missing calls together. Then what to do? Call divert. So go to the call settings. There we have the call divert option. Your calls diverting to which number and number you have to type it. Your friend number, or your father number, your mother number, your wife number, your husband number, write it. Then okay. Or 5 minutes after my battery dead. What are the calls I am receiving? These all the calls. A linked number is there, na? That number is receiving. అయ్యో యువర్ ఫేసెస్ చూస్తుంటే మీకు అర్థం ఐడియా లేనట్టు ఉంది అంటే యువర్ ఫేసెస్ గివింగ్ ద రియాక్షన్ దిస్ ఫెసిలిటీ అవైలబులా yes sir, not now, last 15 years onwards this option available in our mobiles. Okay, next furtherly you can utilize this one option. So whenever the battery is going to down or whenever the signal is not available, you went to some trip or you are in the some area, sir, but that area your signal not available, and again you can divert your calls to some other number. You have two sims together generally, one sim signal available fully, one signal not available. These all calls you can divert to your second sim, so you are not missing any single call, you are not missing any single message matter. So that is auto redivert. There's somebody making call to your number and your number forwarding that call to another number. When it is forwarding, sir, if the cell is switched off or the signal is not available, or if you are the busy, a situation also we can mention clearly. Forward my calls in the so and so occasion only. Option is available clearly. So like that, here also call forwarding is available. That call forwarding is called as auto redirecting. What are the things are coming? I'm going to redirecting to some other class. So to whom you want to redirect it, sir? Second number required, sir. A second page address is required. Take the capital URL, capital letters compulsory, not small letters, because it's a predefined option. Equals to which page you want to divert the calls, write the page URL here. To whom you want to divert your call, write the page URL here, the proper URL. Your programs are original websites. Anything is okay. URL should be proper. Suppose I'm diverting the calls to one of our old examples, sir, 50.html. 10 seconds, 50.html. I'm writing a small message here. So please wait for 10 seconds. We are flying to another page. We are flying to another page. The first your page you are going to opening, sir. After loading of your page, 10 seconds browser waiting. Whenever the 10 seconds timer completed, sir, you are automatically moving to example 50. Right now working is example 66. Example 66 is internally calling the example 50. So refresh and wait the 10 seconds. So 10 seconds completed, it's automatically redirecting. 66 to 50th example. Not example, one web page to another web page. My programs, I'm not interested, sir. You can give the live URLs. Give the live URL. So http://www.somethingfacebook.com, amazon.com, or any other website. 10 seconds after, Facebook opens automatically. These type of things we saw so many cases in our websites, especially money payment situations, online money payments, sir. After giving the OTP, we are clicking on submit button. It's saying the some message, na, your transaction is under processing, please wait. And we have the clear message also. Don't refresh the page, don't click on the back button also. After 10 seconds or 5 seconds, again, you are redirecting to your original website. Observe that one, where you wanted the OTP in Flipkart or in SBI Bank. OTP in which page we are entering? A banking transaction website. But whenever the transaction completed, you are automatically redirecting to the Flipkart or Amazon. And where you purchased the product, that page is opens automatically without your interference. Like that, when you are opening some OTT movies platforms, iBomb Movie Rules or TamilRockers.com something, you are clicking on one movie. The movie is opens, but without your interference, suddenly Snapdeal space is opens. As suddenly my Mintrano something available, that pages are going to opening. But you are not opening anywhere. They are opening automatically. So same tag, same option, but utilization is two models. Only timer available, current page refreshing. Timer after, if you given any address, the given address is going to refreshing. Two options. So this is the last option of the meta tag. Previous options, already we completed other options in the previous session. Next, I'm going to showing a small application, sir. Recently, what are the tags we learn? What are the new features we gain the knowledge? With this, I'm trying to design a small application, like as your demo project. So first, what is my expectation? I'm going to showing, sir, what I'm going to designing a rough sketch I'm going to showing here. As per the sketch, we are following the programming. Maybe network problem, I think, sir. If any video or audio problem available, try to reconnect the session. Still the same problem is available. I think your side signal weak. This is the expected format of the page designing and as well as the demo project also. I need a small part here, one block. How to design this block, sir? One of the option, division tag. Second option, header. One option is division and second option is the header. New tag, header. Division is the old tag. In this header part, what we are expecting, sir? Company logo required. Suppose Naresh Institute website. The Naresh Institute logo required here. Logo of the Naresh Institute. Here a small sentence, number 1 training center. And right side, we need a small message. Hyderabad, Chennai, USL locations names. Left side, number 1 training center. Right side, locations of the Naresh IT. Bottom of that one, logo of the Naresh IT. Naresh IT website is, sir, not others website. NIT. National Institute of Technology. This is the header part, right? Next one, sir. Generally, header part bottom, we have some links. That links are called as menu bar or menus. Technically, it is called as the navigation bar. So this is our navigation bar, one block. That is also one block. How to create this block, sir? One option again, division tag. Old knowledge, division tag. Recent knowledge, NAV tag. Navigation tag. And inside this navigation tag, what we have, sir? Menus available. Home, services, contact as registered or something options are going to display. That is called as menus or menu bar. General pronunciation, it's a menu bar, sir. It contains all menus. And after that, we need one more block. This is the another block, sir. So what is this block, sir? Here I want to display my main content. Here I want to display my main content. The actual data I have to display. But first of all, how to get this block, sir? Again, division or otherwise section. We can use the old tag division. Otherwise, you can use the new tag section tag also we can use. A section tag inside actual content is comes. And for what purpose you design this page? A page data is displaying here. And the last one, bottom of the page, sir. This is called as the footer section. Because at the bottom of the page is, so bottom of the page generally it's called as the footer. And here footer information. Footer means, sir, contact details, address, phone numbers, email ID, social media links. Those all are available generally in the footer block. Institute address, institute contact numbers, email IDs, social media links, copyrights reserved, terms and conditions, etc., etc. So this is footer. How to create this block, sir? Again, division, otherwise footer. Old option division, sir. New option is the footer. All these 4 blocks we can create with by using division. There is no problem. But division is old. We have some replacement of the divisions or alternatives of the divisions, sir. Yes, sir. As per our earlier discussions, that is we done already. Division, 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 division. So who are not interested in the division, who are interested to go for the meaningful names. So those candidates, division alternative is the header. Not heads are header. Head different, header is different. Head means this one. Header means the top of the page. And division tag alternative is the NAV tag, navigation tag. And here division tag alternative is the section tag. And here division tag alternative is the footer tag. So this is the expected appearance of the program or application. Outline is this one. Next, content also what I'm expecting, I already given the clue, sir. First box, locations, logo. Second box is menu bars, nothing but an hyperlinks. Third box, actual content is comes data. And last one, address, contact numbers, email IDs. This is the expected format. So now we are starting the application. Application, so internal, inline, external, CSS. Inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Internal CSS, sure. External CSS. Applications. Application, you have to prefer always external CSS. Practicing programs, you can go for either inline or internal. It's not practicing example. Practicing example, that much of diagram not required. That number of points also not required. Program names also I'm changing, sir. Example 67, example 68, example 69 not using. Application, so application related names I'm going to use it. So what is the name of the program, sir? The first program I'm creating with the name of index.html. This is original page. This original page name is the index.html. Why specifically index.html only, sir? As per the guidelines. If you want to launch any website into the www, in our project, one program name compulsory index.html. Mandatory. If index.html program not available, when you open your website, 404 requested URL not found, and error messages comes. Every project inside number of programs are available. You know that one. And in this program, so one program name compulsory index.html. It's a rule in www. The project developed in HTML or the project developed in Java, whatever it may be, one program name mandatory index.html. If I don't like that name, sir, index.html, I don't like, sir. I like home.html or something.html, sir. Option is available. If you want to change the name of the file, index to some any other name, you should write one XML program also. Directly not possible. One XML program is also required. XML is also one of the markup language, extensible markup language. So write one XML file. Inside that we have to give the instruction to server. Please take this file or this program as a my home page. Instruction should be provided directly, clearly. Simple things are, you develop some of the C students available, right? First C students point of view. We designed one C program, 1000 lines available. In the 1000 lines of program, 30 functions also available. Fun1, fun2, fun3, prime number, your own functions. But main method not developed. Main function not developed. All that for 30 functions correct. 1000 lines correct. But main missing. Run this program. But why 30 functions you already developed? 30 functions, they have the 30 names clearly. But why program unable to run it, sir? Your compiler always searching for main. Other functions writing are not your choice, but main is compulsory. This is C students. And Java students are, you develop a lot of classes. Suppose banking project, Java students and as well as the .NET students, one banking project, account opening one class, right? Transactions one class. Next further operations another class. Like the 5 to 10 classes you developed. In these classes, variables, constructors, methods available, but main not available. And run this program. But again, if you develop any number of class, JVM is always searching for the main method only. What is the moral of the story? If you write anything you are personally, but system always expecting one item from you. Like that, if you develop any number of HTML programs, WW server is expecting one program from you. What is that program, sir? Index.html. If it is available, a website opening starts. That file is not available, 404 and 404 requested URL not found, an error message generated. Matter is that one. So this page I'm developing with the index.html. Okay. Program name also I'm writing for your easy identification. This is the home page of my application and saved with the name of index.html. Applications home page. These all the lines are routine, nothing special. Next, we need a small link tag here. Relative equals to icon and href equals to something. And one more link tag is required. This is for style sheet. And the name of the file, appstyles.css. The application styles, so reasonable name this one. And what about the logo, sir? Logo is also NIT logo only required, sir. We'll just download that one. Two logos I downloaded, what we required for our program. NIT.webp, title bar logo, this one, icon setting. And app styles is our external develop it. I'm creating the CSS also. And save this file with the name of appstyles.css. That comment also writing here. So application styles, name of the file is this one. Code will develop slowly one by one, sir. It's just basic code. Go to the browser, run that index.html. Index.html. Program opens, sir, but we are getting only blank page. Logo displaying. Title is available. Then start the first block. So what is first block, sir? A header part. So first we are starting this block. The Naresh IT website, what we have, just to once observe that one, sir. Left side, number one training institute available. Right side, locations available. Next, second line, Naresh IT logo is available. Up to that part, I'm going to designing. That's 3 items. A black color text plus this Naresh IT logo. Header section designing starts here. And the tag name is header. And header tag inside, this is the data what we required. Instead of placing the data directly in header section, better take the division tags or better take the paragraph tags. But every data should be placed inside one tag, sir. These all the tags should be placed inside the containers. Data inside the one sub tag, these all the sub tags should be placed inside the containers. On a packing services available, courier packing services, always follow that technique only, sir. We'll get the better coding also. You want to parcel one small product. What you are doing, sir? Product directly giving a no, sir. This product we are placing inside one cover or one box or something. And this box we are hand out to the courier services. What they are doing, sir? These all the boxes placing inside the one main box. That is our way of designing also. The good way of the practice. So here I'm taking one division tag. And that should be closest here. And this is the another division tag. And that also closes here. 2 division tags placed inside the one header part. But as per our previous knowledge, these 2 division tags come side by side or one after one? Huh? Side by side displaying or one by one displaying? Side by side. Sure? Huh? A division tags are how it will come side by side. It's a container. They comes in the separate lines. Then Dasra holidays total. Huh? Reason every question wrong answer coming. Previous question also wrong answer. So 5 days gap. Nah. Huh? Jump total. The 1 question wrong answer అయితే okay. 3 questions wrong answers. Last 1 hour. Inka Dasara mood, maybe you're not coming out of that one. So we are already in Amirpet Amma. In first floor room number 1. No? Huh? These are the division tags. Block level tags never displayed the side by side in the last 1 month of we were practicing, sir. Maybe Dasra effect, huh? Side by side. But what we are expecting, sir, we need the side by side. System showing the 1 by 1, but we need the side by side. So what to do for that, sir? Do one thing, sir. These two tags change the float point. Okay, float option is available. Float left side available, float right side available. Apply the float attribute for the both division tags. One division tags comes the left side, one division tag is comes at the right side, 100%. Otherwise, place these two tags inside one main division tag. Inside one main division tag and apply the flex. Apply the flex. Grid also we have one option. So take these two into one main container. And for this main container, try to apply the flex or try to apply the grid. Then also it comes. Why extra tags are, we'll go for directly these things are into float left to float right. But where we have to apply these float options are external CSS. Data side by side settings also, sir. But now I need first these two alignments. Go to the CSS file and write something selectors. Which selector is better, sir? ID selector. ID selector. Because we have the two division tags. Two division tags, two separate appearances, two separate settings. First division tag setting different, second division tag setting is different. Compulsory ID selector only preferable. So hash, what is the ID name, sir? Better go for this some reasonable names, sir. A, B, C, D, I, J, K, division 1, division 2, division 3. Instead of that, go for some readable names. So one of the name is left division I'm taking here. The left side division tag, right side division tag in the header section. Property, simple properties are float equals to left, one option. And one more ID selector here, right division, float equals to right. And map these two things to our actual division tags. Go to the original program, ID equals to left hyphen division, ID equals to right hyphen division. Now refresh the page, we'll get like this. One the left side of the page and one is the right side of the page. Even if you adjust the browser size also, they're adjusting automatically. See that? That's not a problem. Up to the least size. We reduced the actual content size, sir, so alignment is goes to like this. Yes, that is the real requirement also. And next one, these two division tags we placed inside another division tag now here. I'm trying to apply the background color for this division tag. Applying the background color for this division tag. Otherwise, your total head section available, a top portion, apply the background color for head section. Your choice. Full head section you want to cover with some color, go for header. No, sir, a single line only I want to cover the colors are, then right here. If you apply the background color for here, a single line only changing, sir. If you apply the background color for here, how much area header is occupied, that much of area color is going to changing. Choice is yours. We don't have any content here, sir. No, sir. Next we have one more division tag. In this division tag, image tag is comes. A Naresh IT logo displaying required. So image tag. SRC equals to images slash nit.png and close the division tag. Now the image comes to next line automatically. With this placement adjustment required, wait. You just take the small line break, sir. Image automatically comes to your expected place. I want to get down little bit, sir. Use the more gaps. This is the original appearance, 100%. So if you want to get down some more, use some more line breaks. The viewability problem is there, so I'm applying the zoom. We can clearly observe that one. Bro, header box, header tags means a first line only up to image. Header block up to image. So if I've changed the background color for header tag, that first line plus image background both are going to change. Now, if I apply the background color for internal division tag, first line only changing. So as per our interest. Here coming to the CSS, I'm writing some header tag. Direct tag selectors are reasons are my page contains only one header tag. My whole page contains only one header tag. So directly you can apply the settings. Background, a single color, you can write directly your color name. You need multicolors, apply the gradients. Linear gradient available and radial gradient also available. So I'm going to taking light yellow color. I'm applying the background color. Once refresh the page, the header box. And we need some more changes also, sir. What is that, sir? Data displaying very small size. The India number one training institute and Hyderabad, Chennai, US, it's displaying the data very small size, sir. The original appearance. So they better increment the size of the text. Better increment the size of the text. We'll get some better look, sir. Or this type looking not necessary. If you increase the size, we can see like this also. That much of bigger screen, letters are visible very small. Imagine in your mobile, less than the our hand size. So how to increase the font size, sir? We already developed these together. Inside only write it. Font size, one option. We know already this one. Colon, I'm taking some 18 pixels. Same font side for the right side box also. A little bit increasing, not much more. That is also not enough for me, sir. And to take another 2 more pixels. 20 pixels. And this is also 20 pixels. Don't go for very big size, sir, because of the data, not heading. Headings big size, okay, reasonable. Here I have the small problem. Program executed successfully, but a small problem. A font size, how many times we used? 2 times used. But both same values are not 20, 20. So instead of 2 times, I want to write 1 time only. Any suggestion? Division tag. Division tag not available here. And another selector. This is duplicate statement. Observed. This is repetitive setting. But I'm not interested to write the repetitive settings. Without repetitions, I want to apply the same style. Selectors are CSS selectors. Would these two division tags where it is available? Inside the one main division tag. That main division tag where it is available? Inside the header. Font size equals to 20 pixels. Better coding. Previous working, this also working, but compared to previous, this is better coding. Instead of repeating of the properties, producing the same level of outputs. Same result, but code reducing and repetitions of steps not available. And the next one, what is the width of header block, sir? Right now, I'm not giving any measurement, sir. As per my data, it is adjusting automatically. How much data I given, as per that, it is adjusting automatically. But better give your own measurements. In future, device changing, sir, a measurements is helpful for us. The device changing in the sense, right now I'm running from my desktop. The same application, if you run from your mobiles or your tabs, sir, measurements always useful for us. So what is the measurement of the header, sir? Take the width equals to 100%. Height, no need to focus it, sir. You have to focus always the width of the device only. Because height of the device is unlimited. The mobiles are, laptops are, TVs are, monitors are, desktops are. Height no limit. But width we have the limit. So always should focus on the width only. So width of my header tab box is the, sorry. చెప్పరేమో చూడు నేను చూడలేదు వాళ్ళది మేడం స్క్రీన్ పోయినప్పుడు చెప్పొచ్చు కదా మేడం we are not getting any difference currently, sir. By chance the same program, if you run from smaller devices, sir, your width is going to set right as a 100%. And a responsive designing basic steps, but those all are. So header portion is completed, sir. If you are interested, one more option is available. Sir, data touching very edge of the browser, sir. Can I provide some gap, sir? Yes, sir, we have 100%. For that, we have the padding option. Padding, one option is available. I explained this padding in the login application. Long back, we designed the login screen, sir. Username, passwords. In that login option, I explained one special CSS property, padding. So when you apply the padding, data little bit moving from the edge. How much distance it is moving, sir? And that depends upon your given measurement. Padding hyphen left. Total 4 paddings available. Left side padding, right side padding, top side padding, and bottom side padding. Which side you are expecting the gap? Right that side. So padding is 30 pixels, suppose. Now observe the screen. This is all the content little bit moved here. If you need more movement, sir, give the more measurement. We can also write the just padding also, sir. If I write the just padding, what happens, sir? And around the corner, it is applying the space. Left side 30 pixels, right side 30 pixels, top 30 pixels, and bottom is also 30 pixels is going to applying. All 4 corners will get the size space. But 4 corners, we don't need the space, sir. Better go for the left. You're interested, I interested to apply on the left side. Moving, observed together. How much measurement you are giving, as per that it is going to moving. Same way, right side also you can apply. I need to apply the right side, sir. Okay. Left side we have the gap, and right side also we have the gap. Instead of sitting in the edge of the screen, the internally gap maintenance, some better look. Here also we have see that one. Data available, lot of gap here data, and right side also we have the gap. The measurement decide as per your interest, sir. I finally set right it to 250 pixels and 150 pixels. So now the header part is completed. Next, focus on the menu bar, navigation bar. The second bars are menus, navigation bar. So right now we are at this stage. So for designing of this navigation bar or this menu bar, we have the specialist tags that is called as the NAV, menu bar designing. The tag name is NAV. Who are not interested in NAV, those people you can use the division tag. I don't know NAV tags are. You can go for division tag. So NAV tag inside what we need, sir. Anchor tags required. Because what are the options you are displaying? Those all are the hyperlinks. When I click on that option, sir, there should be open the next page of the corresponding information. Compulsory. So we have to prepare some number of anchor tags. href equals to something file name. What is a display text, sir? Display text is home. The hypertext. Anchor tag close. Next, another anchor tag. 5 to 6 anchor tags I'm taking here. So the second one is services. The third one is new batches. And fourth one is courses. A list of courses, what they are providing the training. And the next one is library. Next one, enroll. So these are the 6 options I'm going to display. All 6 are the hyperlinks and placed inside the navigation tag. This is basic code, sir. We have to add the lot of lines for this one. Once go and check it. This is navigation bar. But a bar feeling not comes, sir. Apply the CSS, will get the bar feeling. Right now we don't have any CSS, so then only the bar feeling is not comes. If you apply the background colors or something else, we'll get automatically a bar feeling. Next, in href inside, we have to write some program names, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, we need some home.html, services.html, new batches.html, courses.html, library.html, and enrollment.html. These are the 6 programs required. Current working program is index.html. And you want to fulfill the complete project, sir. You have to develop the home.html. But we are not designed it, sir. That is your task. Home page I'm designing, further pages you are going to designing. But I'm just writing home.html. And this one is services.html. And this one is batches.html. And this one is courses.html. These all the programs are pending. Library.html and enrollment form. Enrollment.html. Remember, sir, those programs we are not developed anything up to now. If we click any of the link, we'll get the error message. Once if you develop all the programs designing, then it's working properly. Okay, that we'll see later. Now we are focusing on the menu bar. But all these anchor tags, where it is available, sir? Inside our navigation bar. So go to the CSS, write some settings for the navigation bar. Directly, sir. Because I have only one navigation bar, so tag selector I'm going to developing. And the first of all, height of the navigation bar, or 30 pixels I'm going to taking. Height of the navigation bar, 30 pixels. And background color of the navigation bar, A dark blue I'm going to taking, sir. Blue color. Once go and check it. That is our navigation bar. And anchor tags color also blue color, sir. Navigation bar is also blue color. Blue. Kuch hota. But internally data is there, sir. Data available, you can select it. But it's not visible, sir. Why you are designing like that, sir? If you wait the few minutes, anchor tag settings also required. Navigation bar settings are this. And one more thing, some padding equals to 0. I don't want any gaps around the navigation bar, sir. So I set as a 0. Bar ready. Next, focus bar internal content. Bar internal content means anchor tags. Anchor tag. But how many anchor tags available currently, sir? 6. But can I go for tag selector? For all 6 anchor tags, we need same style, sir, different style. So can I go for tag selector? Tag selector not encourageable. Reason, we have still some more page designing. In that page, anchor tags available, chances are there. But navigation, sir, navigation bar generally not comes again, sir. But anchor tags in photo section also, anchor tags are available. In our data also, anchor tags available. So tag selector, not correct thing, not right thing. Next, ID selector. No, because these settings we want to apply for these 6 tags. ID 100% not encourageable. The option is class selector. But in class selector, we have the small problem, mapping problem. This class selector, you have to map to that all 6 anchor tags, sir. Class equals to, class equals to, class equals to, mapping required. So I'm going to explaining a small technique here, sir. Without mapping, that 6 anchor tags only getting effect. Other anchor tags are not getting any effects. How it is possible, sir? First, see this one. Change the anchor tag color first to white. Then it is visible very clearly. Next, font size also increase for anchor tags, sir. Some 22 pixels I'm taking here. Font size. And anchor tags already underline is available. I don't want any underlines. So remove the underlines. How to remove the underlines, sir? Text decoration, colon, none. Text decoration, colon equals to none. Again, if you want to get back the underline, write underline. So right now, I don't want any underline. Color is white, size 22 pixels. Now this is the result of that one. The luckily, the further program not completed, sir. So those anchor tags are not getting effect. By chance, if you have any more anchor tags, those also getting these effects. For that, I'll take one dummy anchor tag. Just watch it. This section tags are our upcoming explanation. Inside also, I have one anchor tag. Anchor tag names are click here. It's not part of the program. And anchor tag close, section tag is also close. Once go and check it. Where is click here? A blue color bottom box. Here we have the click here. Here we have the click here. See that hand symbol. But it's not displaying, sir. What is the color of anchor tag? Your screen color. Then only it's not displaying. You'll see that one. But which anchor tag is affecting? Navigation bar anchor tags are the whole page anchor tags are. Because we designed the tag selector. Because we designed the tag selector. Now we want to apply these styles only for the navigation bar inside anchor tags only. Navigation bar inside anchor tags only. But as per our previous knowledge, is it main tag or not? These all are subtags, parent tag and child tag. So we are implementing the same relation, parent-child relation. Go to here, write NAV space A. The meaning, sir, Whenever I used the anchor tag inside the navigation, first tag is the parent, sir. Second tag is the child. This type of writing is called as the child selector. This type of writing is called as the child selector. If you remove this one, whole page got affected. If you write this one, it's affecting. Which anchor tag is affecting, sir? What are the anchor tags available inside navigation bar? Now see that. A bottom anchor tag, click here, they have their own style. See that. Top all these things, white color is displaying, and bottom one is displaying with their own style. If you remove this navigation, sir, all 6 comes to white color. Now, how much area impact is coming, that is I'm trying to show, sir. So if you want to apply the styles in the particular area tags only, so write that area name and write your tag name. Simple. So this is child selector. Now we need any mapping? No, sir. Without any mapping, we directly applied the settings. Now, compared to class selector, this is easiest way. If I take the class selector, suppose, sir, see, go to the anchor tags and write 6 times mapping code. Class equals to C1. Class equals to C1. Write that 6 times you have to write. Instead of that, this new format is easier. Parent tag space child tag. This is output. Next, that all anchor tags get into center of the blue box. All anchor tags get the center of the blue box. So for that, we have the alignment attribute. Text hyphen align equals to center. Navigation bar inside, how much content available? The total content is comes to center of the navigation bar. Center of the navigation bar. Now these are the links, sir. You go see that one. Next one. We need some more effects for anchor tags, sir. Now anchor tags are sitting closely like this, but I want to display the anchor tags with the specific measurements. And every anchor tag should be displayed like as a one box style. But right now we don't have that appearance, sir. How much content available as per the content they are existing the side by side. How can say that one, sir? How can say and apply the background color? It is only for your understanding purpose, sir. This is only for your understanding purpose. Background color I'm going to applying. The color of the background is suppose red. I'll remove that color. It's not final program. But all boxes size same. No, that is I'm saying. How much data available there occupies the that much of. Reasons are anchor tags are basically inline tags. Anchor tags are basically inline tags. Inline tag size, you know, I think content wise size. 3 letters available, you are occupying the 3 letters only. 5 letters available, 5 letters space only occupying. But this is not getting uniform look together. I need uniformity. All anchor tags should display with the fixed measurement like this, sir. On a duster available kada. Like this duster format, every size width height fixed. Then you will get the uniform look. Possible, sir. Possible if you write some special settings. How to set the width? How to apply the width for any HTML tags, sir? Width is the attribute. I'm taking width equals to 130 pixels. But every anchor tag box size comes with a size of the 130 pixels. The expectation, but it doesn't works. Except the image tag, inline tags width to height not supported. One more also I explained. Inline tags central alignment, inline tags right alignment is also not supported, and this also I explained. Block level tags all are supporting, but inline tags some problems are available. I want to display the inline tags right side, sir. Never applied, sir. As somebody they asked the same doubt. Next day session I explain also in the classroom. Images I want to display the center, sir. Not possible. If you want to display the image in the center of the page, that image should be placed inside one container and apply the alignment for the containers. So inline tags width height not available. And as at the same time, all alignments also not supported. Now the problem is that one. If I convert into block level, can I set the width height as, sir? 100%, sir. Every block level tag width available, height available, and alignments also available. So convert this one into block level, problem solved. Existing problem solved. New problem later it will comes. We have some health problem and we are taking continuously medicines, sir. Existing problem cleared. But you over uses of medicines, reactions available kada. That's a common thing. So corona got and we are taking some corona medicine something, but that medicine impact future available compulsory. Okay. A small question here. Anchor tags are inline. If you convert into block level, width applying. So how to convert an inline tag into block level tag? How to convert the inline tag into block level tag? Display. Answer G. Madams and sirs, answer. How to convert an inline tag into block level? One day we already discussed it, sir. These all the topics. Flex, grid, block level, inline, or 2-3 days we discussed these topics. Answer coming or not coming? Huh? So already 2 questions or 3 questions are wrong answers. This one has no answer. If I remove the Google Classroom link, because waste kada, my explanations waste, my notes uploading is also waste. We are unable to answer. Huh?
Recording stopped.
So just I'm going to opening the Google Classroom link and deleting, sir. Huh? Just 1 second, deletion. Nothing matter. See that how to delete, I'll show it. So log in into Gmail ID, password asking, type the password. This is successfully login. Select the batch. The number of batches available. Kedar hai your batch? There are 3 dots available. Achu. First putting the achu. And what happens, sir? You are unable to drop any messages. I'm unable to post anything. Classroom available. ROM model anamata. Read only memory antar kada. That one. You can't drop any message. You can't download anything. I'm also unable to upload anything. So first we have to click on achieve mode anamata. And if you check the Google Classroom link, class not visible. Go and check it. Open the Google Classroom. Your class not visible now. Simple, just 10 seconds of work. Visible classroom? Not visible kada? Next what to do, sir? Ante achieve classes and list option available. These all are previously completed batches anamata. So here, where is your batch? This is your batch. Right click, you go delete. Total washed out. From day 1 to till 2 now, what are the things I posted? Everything is jump. Just 1 second for me. For your careless result like that. I need proper responses. Otherwise, I'm not interested to do this one. You can write running notes and you can follow running notes only. I'm going to uploading daily, updating everything in the notes as extra work to me. Converting all these programs into text file, uploading, this is extra task. But if you are not utilizing, no use, sir. Huh? So click it. Huh? Once if I delete it, even I can't restore that one. Once deleted, myself also restoring not possible, sir. You know already, I think that one. Deletion done, restoring no chance. Well, again, fresh Google Classroom link. So I need better responses from tomorrow onwards. Don't sit lazily like this. Now it is visible, check it. So what you said here, how to convert? Display block, very good. So long back we discussed one option, sir, display attribute. Almost 4 days or 5 days we worked on this option. Not 1 day, 2 day. Display flex, display grid, display inline, display block, display inline block, display none. Hiding and showing the elements also with the JavaScript we control. So display equals to block. So problem solved. All 6 anchor tags are getting with the same measurement with the same sizes. Existing problem resolved. New problem started. Why, sir? Generally, block level means what is the appearance? Line by line. We are expecting the side by side, but system is going to showing the line by line. A box sizes all are uniform. See this one. All are these anchor tags and every box size also uniform shape, but line by line it will comes. Width applied successfully. See, check it once. 180 pixels. Width clearly applied, but problem line by line. When I delete the display, sir, line by line, side by side it will comes, but box missing. So for that, one more option is also available, sir. That option is called as display inline block combination. Display inline and block. So nature of the tag is block level, appearance of the tag inline. Behaves like as a boxes wise, but appearance is side by side it's going to display. But now the width is applying, plus you will get the side by side. It's applying the width. At the same time, you will get the side by side also. All uniform sizes, observe that one. Now observation over, I am removing the background color. If I explain like that, that points are, you can't identify a color box available, how much width it is getting, we can easily identify. So purpose completed, remove that box. This is. Next pending work, sir. Generally in websites, whenever the mouse pointer comes on to that hyperlink, sir, hyperlink appearance changing or not? Obviously it is changing that hyperlink appearance, right? So that I am going to showing here, sir. You know that one, I think H over or something we call, na? Remember a H over? So whenever the mouse pointer comes on to that one, that particular hyperlink should be comes into different appearance. Which one your interest? Colon H over. For which tag? All tags are anchor tags are. Anchor tags. Which anchor tag? All anchor tags are navigation anchor tags. Right before that one also. Navigation bar inside anchor tags, mouse comes display something differently. Generally, background color we are changing, sir. Background already blue available kada. The anchor tag color white color kada. So white to suitable background take it. Background blue is there, anchor tags white available. So both colors are suitable. We'll try this one, sir. If it is okay, then we'll continue. So take the mouse pointer, place on the link. This is our menu bar. The dull shade అనుకోండి, I think. Red, huh? Sorry. So this is the look. Where your mouse pointer is available, you can easily identify that box based on the blocks. And all boxes sizes are the uniform. Uniform appearance purpose only, I implemented this one. If I remove this one, still program is working, sir, but uniformity missing. Gaps also missing, different sizes, different placement. A better placement to and uniformity look is additional option we implemented. So this is the matter. But now actually what we are doing generally, sir, we are clicking on home. That should be called the home.html. That home.html where you want to display? In the separate page or within the same page? Actually, anchor tags are displaying always in the separate page, but our project demanding in the same page only. Then only it's looking good, sir. Got a white color gap is there here. If you click any of this link, the page should be opens in this box. Every link should be opens inside this box. What is this, sir? It is called as section tag. Real-time applications all are working like this only, not in the separate pages. The balance part we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.
Recording in progress.
అది ఇమేజ్ లో ఉన్న బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అండి, దాన్ని మనం ఏం చేయలేం. మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేకుండా డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తాం.
Nav Menu Bar Designing directly implemented the navigation tag selector.